Alright guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make money on YouTube without a camera. You can see right here, we are here. I want to show you how to make money on YouTube. Now, you do not need a camera. Obviously, you see me down here on the bottom of the screen. That's great. Obviously, I have a camera, but if you don't, how could you go about creating new content? Well, there is a software out there. It's called Screencast-O-Matic, okay? And it is free. When you get the free version, you will see it says Screencast-O-Matic down here on the bottom of your screen. Just a little watermark, okay? No big deal, but it's free. If you want to upgrade, I think it's like $15 for a year or something like that. You can go check it out, but again, Screencast-O-Matic is what you need. It's a free software. Go and get it, okay? Now, you're probably wondering, well, okay, I have software, but how do I make money? There's obviously a way I can make money. How do I do it? Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to figure out what kind of content you can create. Let me show you something, okay? Let's say I come to Google and I type in, tools needed to build a shed. Okay, try that. Okay, all right, perfect. So we have a list right here. Air compressor, a few ladders, reciprocating saw or sawzall, circular saw, speed square, okay, probably a nail gun, maybe a hammer, drill, who knows. Okay, so we got a list, all right? Here's the next thing we do. We want to go and we want to search for that, see if people are looking for that. Tools needed to build a shed. Okay, I don't see that exactly. See how to build a shed. So this might be a great video to do. Tools needed to build a shed. Okay, let's say that's the video that you want to do. Now here is the process. You will go and you will just talk about the tools you need. My recommendation is to go and show people the tools over on Amazon, just like this. So if it were me, what I would do is I would go and find all the different products. So a framing nailer, I'd find the product for an air compressor, I'd get it for a speed square, and I'd also do for a reciprocating saw, okay? Because that is what we saw right here, okay? So what I would do, okay, being that you don't have a camera, you're just using Screencast-O-Matic, you want to do pretty much a screen share, okay? So you're going to show people your screen, just like I'm doing right here. And if you're wondering, yes, I am using Screencast-O-Matic. Obviously, I have the paid version because you don't see down here in the lower corner, you don't see it say Screencast-O-Matic, okay? And obviously I do have a webcam. That's what's showing you the image right over here of me talking, okay? But what I would do is I would just talk about why I recommend these certain tools, okay? Why I recommend this Bostitch F21PL round head framing nailer, why I recommend this 6-gallon air compressor, oil-free air compressor as well. Okay, why I recommend this 7-inch speed square, and then why I recommend this corded reciprocating saw right here. Okay, that's all I do, and I talk about all the individual products. Maybe give a little bit of the, if we can get out of this, you can see down there underneath the pricing right here, you can see some kind of key points about the tool, which is great. You can see more down here about the air compressor, which is awesome. So here's what we do. We would create a video, okay? We'd create a video and title it, Tools Needed to Build a Shed. That's all we're doing. We're gonna title it that, and then inside the description, what we're gonna do, let's see if some of these have it. Let's see, right here, 5 must-have woodworking tools for beginners DIY. We're gonna click on that one. I'm gonna stop that video. Here's what we're going to do. We're inside the description, tools mentioned in this video. They're all affiliate links. Anytime I click on one of these, it says Amazon.to, it's going to take me to Amazon, and if I buy the product, this person would get credited with the affiliate commission, which is great. He did the work, okay? If I learned something from it and I thought, okay, that's valuable, I want that exact same tool, I want this speed square right here, I'm going to go and find it, where is it at, and I'm going to buy it, okay? That's simple. So all we do when we create the video, we publish it, which is very simple to do. Okay, you just go up to, on YouTube, you'll click on this button where it says create a video or a post. You click on that, and then we upload the video. I'm not going to do that right now, obviously, but that's what I do. And then inside the description, I put all the links to the different products that I need to build a shed. Okay, and that's just tools needed to build a shed. What if I want to do ingredients needed to make slime? Okay, and then do the same thing, ingredients needed to make slime. Okay, and I know we need glue, I think you need Tide, and you need food coloring or something like that. And so that's all we do. Okay, I'd make a video, ingredients needed to make slime, or how to make slime. And then, 1 bowl, borax, slime, whatever, mix slowly, glue, water. Okay, that's one way to do it. Okay, and that's exactly what I do. Okay, I need, borax. Type that in. Okay, so that's what I need. Obviously water, we don't need to search for that. Elmer's glue. We want a big thing of that, so probably like this one right here. So I take this link, and if you don't know what I'm talking about by a link, when you become an Amazon associate, when you become an Amazon affiliate, which is also called an Amazon associate, you get something that's called a site stripe that they'll put on your browser, and then all we gotta do is click text, and we'll get the link, and I can copy the link and paste it inside my description. And it's that simple. Okay, I don't want to make this video very complicated. I don't want to make it very difficult. I just want to make it, super simple, very quick. It's probably one of my shorter videos that I've done lately. But the reason why I wanted to just do this is because a lot of people ask me, what if I don't have a camera? What if my cell phone just doesn't take the best quality video? What if the sound's off? Well, yeah, you're going to be struggling if you don't have sound. Okay, obviously you need sound, which you probably have a microphone on your computer, right? Most people do. If not, you can always buy one. I highly recommend one. It's called I think it's the Blue Yeti microphone. It's a great option, but it does cost probably anywhere from $80 to $100. But it's a great little microphone that I highly recommend. But again, this is all you have to do. Okay, very simple. Okay. Now, one other thing. If you want to know more about doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, I have a course. You can go check it out. I'll put a link down below. If you use the link down below, it's going to take the price from $67 all the way down to $20. So use that. It's only going to be good on this one video, probably for the next week. So if you're interested in that, make sure you go check it out. But again, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions on how to make money without a camera, let me know. You can ask your questions down in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. If you haven't done so already, also click that notification bell so you won't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.